Dear students, here in this topic dielectric, I have mentioned some important formula. I have already mentioned earlier different theoretical aspects, mathematical calculation in my previous lectures, early lectures. But here I am concentrating only on the formula, important formula which are required for solving various numerical problems, as well as some important properties of dielectric material. First of all, types of dielectric: polar and non-polar. There are two types of dielectric material. These are the examples of polar dielectric material, and these are various examples of non-polar dielectric material. Dielectric constant, expression of dielectric constant K or epsilon r equals to epsilon by epsilon naught, where epsilon naught is the free space permittivity. The standard value, this is the standard value of epsilon naught. This is the permittivity of the medium. This is the relative permittivity or dielectric constant. So epsilon equals to epsilon naught epsilon r. Polarization vector, P vector, mod of P vector equals to dipole moment per unit volume, net dipole moment per unit volume. So after simplification, it comes to be surface density of charge. Simple calculation. Dipole moment means Q into D. A into D is the volume, dd cancelled out, Q by A, that is dimensionally nothing but surface density of charge. And QP may also be expressed as the negative surface integral of P dot ds. Okay. Number 4, this relation between electric displacement vector. This is called electric displacement vector. I have already mentioned in theoretical portion. D, P and E vector. D equals to epsilon naught E plus P. This relation is very powerful relation for solving various numerical problems. This is the relation between number 5, susceptibility and dielectric constant. Number 6, polarizability. This is the expression of polarizability. N is the number of atoms per unit volume. Okay. So next one, electric dipole moment. It consists of various different contribution. This is electronic polarizability part. This is ionic polarizability part. This is orientation polarizability part. Local field or Lorentz field, E internal equals to E plus P by 3 epsilon naught. Symbols have their usual meaning. You know the meaning of P, E and epsilon naught. Clausius-Mosotty equation. This is very powerful equation in dielectric. Epsilon r minus 1 by epsilon r plus 1 equals to N alpha by 3 epsilon naught. N is the number of atoms per unit volume. Alpha is the polarizability, atomic polarizability. Epsilon naught is the free space permittivity.